Hello friends. If you sleep and see how a fast train takes you towards exotic countries and unknown distances, get ready for adventure. Our quiz starts right now. First question. What is the name of the old Polish procession dance? Correct answer. Good question. Second question. What is the main dance performed at the carnival in Rio de Janeiro? Correct answer. Put like. Third question. What is the name of the Spanish dance that imitates bullfighting? Correct answer. Keep playing. Fourth question. What is the chair and the waltz like? Correct answer. Put like. Fifth question. What is the name of the most popular Greek dance, which has become one of the symbols of Greece? Correct answer. Put your answers in the comments. Sixth question. Does the name of this French dance translate as duck? Correct answer. Super, continue. Seventh question. What is the origin of the polka dance? Correct answer. And you all know. Eighth question. Which dance name translates as sauce? Correct answer. Brilliant result. Ninth question. The image of which bird is reproduced in the male part of the Lezginka dance? Correct answer. It was easy. Ninth question. How is the Polonaise danced? Correct answer. We continue the quiz. 11th question. What country does the Lezginka dance belong to? Correct answer. Put like. 12th question. How many people traditionally perform the Mexican bolador dance? Correct answer. 13th question. Where did the waltz first become popular? And I'm loving the fact, truly it's making me blessed, 'cause I work on my team, no snakes in the grass, and we have a trust in the wind because of the work that we did in the past. Correct answer. Because of the work that we did in the past. It was too easy. 14th question. What country is the Congo dance native to? Correct answer. Great, congratulations. 15th question. What country is the Congo dance native to? Correct answer. Hooray, you already answered all the questions of the quiz. The 3 participants who answer correctly to all questions of the quiz will be announced at the end of the next video. Thank you for participating in the quiz and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.